Hello, my name is Calvert Mata, and this will be my presentation on higher education in Pakistan. And first slide, we have Pakistan higher secondary education, which covers ages of 16 to 18 years old. It's considered part of the student higher education. Students can specialize in science, humanity, and after passing end of the year exams, are able to move on to higher education. The education system for higher education in Pakistan consists of these areas. There are a bachelor's degree student can either choose a pass degree or a honor degree. A bachelor pass degree is usually awarded after 2 years program. The honored bachelor's degree is awarded after 3 years of full-time study in arts and humanities, science, and commerce. Bachelor's degree in engineering, pharmacy, and computer science take 4 years of study, and medicine requires 5 years. Master's degree requires 2 years of study after pass degree and 1 year after honor bachelor's degree. A doctorate degree normally requires a minimum of 3 years of study beyond the master's degree. However, the Doctor of Literature, Doctor of Science, and Doctor of Law are awarded after 5 years to 7 years of study. Non-universities higher education is provided by polytechnics, technical and commercial industries, and colleges. These institutions offer programs that generally last 2 to 3 years and lead to certificates and diplomas in commercial and technical fields. Pakistan has both private and public education colleges. Public universities can cost up to 10,000 per year rupees, which is 100 US dollars. Private university can vary between 50,000 to 150,000 per year, which is 500 to 1,500. Education in public colleges is completely free if you score more than 80% in high school exams. Private colleges also offer different levels of financial aid for students who have scored more than 70% of their exams. To get 100% free education in a good private college, you need to score at least 90%. Enrollment rates are low for tertiary education in Pakistan. In 2017, about 10% of people enroll in program after secondary school for men is about 9%. These statistics have been steady for the past 10 years, with no sign of a large growth. In the 70s, Pakistan's entire education system was state-run. However, the growing demand of higher education was outpaced the establishment of new public educations. During that period, the system could accommodate only 25% of high school graduates who applied to higher education institutions. The overcrowding prompted many wealthy Pakistanis to seek university degrees abroad in the United States, Great Britain, and Australia, while others sought our private tutors at home or entered the job market without a degree. In the mid-1800s, and because the government of Pakistan realized it could not keep up with the needs of the students, private education institutions were allowed to operate on the condition that they comply with government-recognized standards. Each province has its own criteria and guidelines for granting university charters. However, these guidelines are largely based on guidelines of higher education commissions and HEC. Some of the reforms implemented to better higher education system in Pakistan include privatizations of institutions, decentralization to give university more flexibility, quality controls of faculty development programs. These type of reforms can help drive the numbers up and improve the quality of education received by students. Pakistan faces many many issues in their higher education system. One of the most people in Afghanistan are not able to afford education as they need to work to support their families or cannot afford the tuition. In order to receive aid, they need high marks, which are hard to obtain without good education in primary and secondary schools. The quality of faculty in institutions is also lacking as there are few resources. Public universities have also many closures and suspensions, which means education is interrupted often. The government's bureaucracy are another big issue. The schools have very little flexibility, and the government issues react to the problem instead of finding the sources to issues, which actually leave problems unsolved. Pakistan faces many issues in higher education system, most of them because of government bureaucracy. There are also issues of people not being able to afford or be ready for college, which doesn't help break the cycle. In order to higher education to improve, reform need to be done from the primary education level. Thanks.